I think being a part of this summit is a great opportunity for me and my team at SUSE. I think as an organization that works very closely with many of the largest banks and insurance companies around the world, being a part of this digital journey, being a part of this summit, which talks about innovation in various aspects of banking, I think it's a great opportunity. Look forward to collaborating and sharing interesting ideas as well as learning some new trends that the industry is seeing. Thank you for that. SUSE has been working very closely with industry leaders across, whether it is bank, a part of various projects that have focused on customer experience as the top priority. The second is change related to processes. So whether it is retail banking or it is business banking, I think both have seen a dramatic change in the way processes were done in the past and some of the new digital processes that have come up. Whether it's mobile apps that are getting consumed, whether it is digital forms that are getting consumed, whether it is touchless and paperless processes that are coming up. I think we have been a part of several projects that have not only been rolled out through mobile applications, but also through their ATMs and many other digital touch points that they have. And most important change that we see is in the area of customer acquisition by some of our customers. And in such areas, data-driven decision-making, the whole need for having artificial intelligence and machine learning or high-performance computing applications being deployed, and SUSE being a part of that platform, whether it's data lakes, whether it is some of the new digital data-driven AI applications. I think we've been a part of all of those, and we continue to be trusted advisors to many of the organizations in these three spaces. So I think it's a great learning for us. Most importantly, we have added value to a lot of our customers in these three areas, and that's the change that we see in the industry and SUSE. SUSE, for the banking and financial services industries, we predominantly play in three major areas. The first and the most important is the whole modernizing of applications. BFSI traditionally has been investing significantly in technology, but they've been investing for a very long time. I think the time has come for them to slowly and steadily modernize their applications, make it more Kubernetes friendly, make it more containerized, as we say. So that's one large area where we are helping customers move through this journey from monolithic applications to lean cloud native applications. The second area that we see is in the whole process of accelerating adoption of digital. Now, when you're trying to accelerate the whole digital adoption, microservices plays a key role. What also plays a key role is that solutions are self-healing, solutions are cyber secure. So as we modernize applications, we also try and help our customers accelerate this journey of adopting technology, accelerate in this digital journey. And the third and most important is simplification. I think given the way consumerism is increasing, given the way processes are getting simplified, given the way policies are getting modified, I think the single point agenda of the BFSI industry is to simplify and make banking available to all, both in corporate as well as retail. And I think this simplification journey also extends its face to the technology world. So whether it is in the area of simplifying applications, simplifying landscapes, simplifying the way new versions, patches, live patches, and all that is handled. More importantly, right from the core bank itself, all the way to their ATMs or to their regional offices, the points at which various offices across the country, I think technology is deployed across all, and simplifying this landscape as well as simplifying these touch points is an important task that SUSE helps customers do. So these are the three: modernizing, accelerating, and simplifying. And we also say sometimes that we help our customers innovate everywhere. That's been our tagline from 2021 onwards.